When your Zelle payment shows as funded, but the recipient hasn't received it, this frustrating situation has several common causes that we can identify and understand. Research shows that missing Zelle payments fall into three main categories. The most common issue, accounting for 60% of cases, involves problems with recipient enrollment. Technical system issues represent 25% of cases, involving problems with bank processing, network connectivity, or mobile app synchronization. Security and compliance holds make up the remaining 15%, where automated fraud detection systems or regulatory requirements temporarily block transactions. The most common cause of missing Zelle payments is incorrect recipient enrollment. This happens when the recipient's email or phone number is linked to a different bank account than expected, or when their account is inactive. Technical system issues occur when there are problems in the complex network that connects banks. This includes bank processing delays, network connectivity issues, or mobile app synchronization problems. Security and compliance holds occur when automated fraud detection systems flag transactions as potentially suspicious, or when enhanced authentication requirements temporarily delay processing. Recent regulatory changes have also contributed to payment delays. New Consumer Financial Protection Bureau guidelines implemented in 2024 require additional verification steps, and enhanced AI-powered fraud detection systems may temporarily hold transactions. Understanding these common causes helps explain why your Zelle payment might show as funded, but not received. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues. When your Zelle payment shows as funded but hasn't been received, there are specific troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly and effectively. The first step is immediate verification. Check the recipient's email or phone number for accuracy, as even small typos can cause payments to go to the wrong account or fail entirely. Next, check your transaction status through your bank's tracking features. Most banks provide real-time updates on payment progress through their mobile apps or online banking platforms. Contact the recipient to ensure they are checking the correct bank account. Sometimes, recipients have multiple accounts enrolled with Zelle, or their enrollment status may be incomplete. Different banks have specific resolution processes. For Chase, use secure messaging through their mobile app for the fastest response. Bank of America users should utilize the transaction dispute feature in online banking. For advanced troubleshooting, banks can initiate network trace requests through early warning services. Some transactions may require manual intervention, or the recipient may need to re-enroll their account with Zelle. Zelle is implementing advanced technology improvements, including blockchain integration and AI-powered resolution systems. These enhancements will provide better real-time tracking and automated problem detection to prevent issues before they occur. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Verify recipient information immediately. Check transaction status through your bank's features. Contact the recipient to confirm their enrollment, and use bank-specific resolution processes when needed. With these tools and upcoming technology improvements, most Zelle payment issues can be resolved quickly and efficiently.